Welcome to the future. It's smarter than you think. Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the incredible world of machine learning and artificial intelligence. These technologies are not just buzzwords, they are revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. Have you ever wondered how your phone predicts what you're about to type? It's not magic, it's machine learning at work. Your phone learns from your typing habits and suggests words based on your past behavior. Or how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch. That's right, machine learning algorithms analyze your viewing history and preferences to recommend shows and movies you'll love. The answer, my friends, is machine learning. And it's changing the world faster than you can say algorithm. These algorithms are designed to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. We're living in an age of incredible technological advancement. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, the impact of machine learning is everywhere. Computers are getting smarter, faster, and more capable every day. High-speed processors and advanced algorithms are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but what's even more exciting is that we're teaching them to learn and adapt. Machine learning models are trained on vast amounts of data, allowing them to improve over time. These models can recognize speech, understand natural language, and even play complex games better than humans. That's right, computers are no longer just following our instructions, they're actually figuring things out on their own. They can analyze data, make predictions, and even perform tasks autonomously. This isn't science fiction, folks. The future we've seen in movies is becoming a reality thanks to machine learning and AI. It's happening right now, all around us. From smart home devices that can control your lights and thermostat to facial recognition technology that enhances security, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. Machine learning is powering everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. Imagine a world where your car can drive you to work while you relax, or where your doctor can tailor treatment specifically for you based on your genetic makeup. And it's only going to get more amazing from here. The potential applications of machine learning are virtually limitless, and we're just scratching the surface. So buckle up, science enthusiasts, because we're about to take a wild ride into the world of machine learning. Stay curious, stay excited, and keep exploring the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of machine learning, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. Think of AI as the big umbrella, and machine learning as one of its coolest tricks. AI is all about creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. It's about building machines that can think for themselves, in a way. Machine learning, on the other hand, is specific to AI. Instead of programming computers with explicit rules for every situation, we feed them massive amounts of data and let them learn the rules on their own. It's like the difference between giving someone a fish and teaching them to fish. With traditional programming, we're giving the computer a fish, a specific solution. With machine learning, we're teaching it to fish, giving it the tools to learn and adapt. The story of machine learning begins long before we had smartphones and self-driving cars. It all started with a dream of creating machines that could think. One of the earliest pioneers in this field was the brilliant Alan Turing. Back in the 1950s, Turing proposed a test to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. This test, now known as the Turing test, sparked decades of research and debate about the nature of intelligence and the possibility of creating truly intelligent machines. As computers became more powerful, the dream of machine learning started to become a reality. In the 1980s and 1990s, researchers made significant progress in developing algorithms that could learn from data. Section 4. Machine learning, teaching computers to learn, like us, but better. So what exactly is machine learning? In a nutshell, it's all about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that instead of giving the computer a set of rigid instructions to follow, we provide it with data and let it figure out the patterns and rules on its own. This approach is incredibly powerful because it allows computers to handle tasks that are too complex or nuanced for traditional programming methods. Imagine you're teaching a dog a new trick. You don't sit down and write out a detailed set of instructions for the dog to follow. Instead, you show it what you want it to do, reward it when it gets it right, and correct it when it gets it wrong. This process of trial and error, combined with positive reinforcement, helps the dog learn the desired behavior over time. Instead, you show it what you want it to do, reward it when it gets it right, and correct it when it gets it wrong. This method is effective because it leverages the dog's natural ability to learn from its environment and experiences. By consistently rewarding the correct behavior and gently correcting mistakes, the dog gradually understands what is expected of it. Over time, the dog learns to associate your commands with the desired actions. This learning process is not instantaneous. It requires patience and repetition. However, once the dog has learned the trick, it can perform it reliably and even adapt to slight variations in the command or environment. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of programming a computer with explicit instructions, we provide it with data and let it learn from that data. The computer uses algorithms to analyze the data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on what it has learned. We feed the computer a massive amount of data, like showing the dog the trick, and let it analyze the data to identify patterns and relationships, much like the dog figuring out the trick. The more data the computer has, the better it can understand the underlying patterns and make accurate predictions. The more data we feed it, the better it gets at making accurate predictions and decisions. This is because the computer's algorithms become more refined and accurate as they process more information. Just like a dog that becomes better at performing a trick with more practice, a machine learning model improves with more data. Why is this so important? Machine learning allows us to tackle problems that are too complex for traditional programming. For example, predicting stock market trends, recognizing speech, or diagnosing diseases from medical images are tasks that require analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying subtle patterns that are beyond human capability, because it allows computers to solve problems that are too complex for humans to program manually. Traditional programming relies on explicit instructions, which can be limiting when dealing with complex, dynamic, or unpredictable problems. Machine learning, on the other hand, enables computers to adapt and improve over time, making them more versatile and powerful. It's like giving computers a superpower, the ability to learn and adapt on their own. This capability opens up a world of possibilities, from self-driving cars that can navigate complex environments to personalized recommendations that improve our online experiences. As machine learning continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that will transform our lives in ways we can't yet imagine. Section 5 ML in action from Netflix. Recommendations to self-driving cars machine. Learning is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's already transforming our world in countless ways. From the apps on your smartphone to the cars on the road, ML is seamlessly integrating into our daily lives, making tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, you're interacting with ML-powered systems without even realizing it. Your smart alarm clock that adjusts based on your sleep patterns, the virtual assistant that reminds you of your schedule, and even the smart thermostat that learns your temperature preferences, all powered by machine learning. Ever wondered how Netflix seems to know your taste in movies better than your best friend? It's not magic, it's machine learning analyzing your viewing habits, the genres you prefer, and even the time of day you watch certain types of content, or how Spotify magically curates the perfect playlist for your mood. By analyzing your listening history, the songs you skip and the ones you play on repeat, Spotify's ML algorithms can predict what you'll want to hear next, creating a personalized music experience. That's machine learning in action. These algorithms are constantly learning and adapting, becoming more accurate and efficient over time. These platforms use your viewing and listening history to predict what you'll enjoy, constantly refining their recommendations as you consume more content. The more you use them, the better they get at understanding your preferences. But MML's reach extends far beyond entertainment. It's revolutionizing industries you might not even think about. Self-driving cars, once the stuff of science fiction, are now a reality thanks to ML algorithms that can process vast amounts of sensor data and make split-second decisions in real time. These cars can navigate complex urban environments, avoid obstacles, and even communicate with other vehicles to improve traffic flow. In healthcare, ML is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and even predict outbreaks before they happen. By analyzing medical images, patient records, and genetic data, ML can identify patterns that might be missed by human doctors, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. And that's just scratching the surface. The potential applications of machine learning are virtually limitless, from fraud detection in finance to personalized shopping experiences in retail. Machine learning is revolutionizing industries across the board. In finance, ML algorithms can analyze transaction data to detect unusual patterns and flag potential fraud. In retail, they can predict customer preferences and optimize inventory management, ensuring that the right products are available at the right time. Even in agriculture, ML is making a significant impact. Smart farming equipment can analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health to optimize planting and harvesting schedules, leading to higher yields and more sustainable farming practices. In education, ML is being used to create personalized learning experiences for students. By analyzing student performance data, ML can identify areas where a student might be struggling and suggest targeted resources to help them improve. As cities become smarter, ML is playing a crucial role in urban planning and management. From optimizing traffic flow to managing energy consumption, ML is helping cities become more efficient and sustainable. The integration of machine learning into our daily lives and industries is just beginning. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. From enhancing our entertainment experiences to solving some of the world's most pressing challenges, machine learning is truly transforming the way we live and work.